The world is tired of them, and so are probably their vocal cords, but crazy drivers are never going to stop doing what they do best. Be a nuisance to society. Hello and welcome back everyone to another fresh episode of Drivers Being Idiots. How's your kids? And your managers? As we take a look at these weird species in their natural habitats, let us begin.
Here, here we go.
On camera too.
Yeah, good.
We got you both on camera.
Down. Good.
Why are you driving fast over here?
First gear?
Generally low. However, these two men catch up with a biker and argue with him. Very funny after that. Then the two of them start fighting among themselves.
You fire, we got you on camera.
First gear.
Slow down, dude, please. Yeah.
First gear, yeah.
Don't say please. No.
First gear. You can come over to my house if you want. We can all have a chat.
Let's talk right here. Why are you speeding? There's kids here, dude.
Yeah? They could stay in the driveway? Is the street...
It's a neighborhood, dude.
Is the street a playground?
It's a neighborhood.
Yeah, I know.
Slow
what it is. I know what it is. This isn't a playground.
Slow down.
This ain't a playground.
I don't slow down. It's a neighborhood.
Whatever, man.
Whatever, get out.
Whatever, man. Whatever, man.
It takes guts to attack a biker group. If you don't have a girlfriend by your side, it won't be a good idea at all. Old man on the road wants to try his luck.
We're doing speed limit here. You shoot cutting across the road, cutting people off.
They're turning into
You want to have a go at people? Keep out of the fucking
illegal place
road.
to park.
What?
You've just assaulted me. That's a legal place for them to
No,
pull
because
in.
you've run out on the road trying to assault me while I'm
Did
trying
you
to
see the
drive
guy that's
legally at the speed
You've
limit.
just assaulted me.
You shoot cutting
You've
across
just
the
assaulted
street
me
in front
and
of
camera of
vehicles.
assault.
I've got it on film. I've got you
You
running
punched
out
me in the
abusing
face.
us as well.
Really?
Stop being a stupid. Go.
Would you be a
Assault you again in
Yeah.
a sec.
You won't take your helmet off.
Why?
Because you get dropped if you take your helmet off.
See about that.
No one could have predicted that the event would become this big. I'm sure no one would want to be in the old man's situation. Arguments between bikers and other people seem to go on forever.
I've got it all on camera and you...
I know you have it on camera.
So what about it, mate?
Why do you want to go down this path?
About it?
Why do you want to go down this path?
Get off the road, Fix.
You've already assaulted me. I will be reporting you for assault.
I've got it all on camera
I know.
too, and you've told me to
Yes.
take my helmet off so you would
Yeah.
knock me out. And I've taken my helmet off,
Yeah,
and I'm waiting.
yeah, and I'm not going.
Calm down, bro.
Terry, please. That's
Why don't we
fine.
just say we're both
You've assaulted me 3 times now. That's good.
All these
good.
stupid little cameras.
Alright,
I've got the whole
we're
incident on camera, and it's still
We're both
rolling
in the
right
wrong.
here.
We're both in the wrong. Let's just separate. Step by.
What does he expect if he comes running across the road having a go at me?
The old man must be on his very lucky day today. If it were not for the crowd around, there would have been very difficult times for both sides. Now everyone is calm and ready to go.
We got some of these girls up the hill here in the centre of the street.
But, just particularly down there.
Yeah, well, it's not a sensible place to go riding then. If you can't maintain the speed limit.
You know that we ride in the same places.
He's
you
alright.
guys like the curves, and we can go like up and down. You're in the road, and you get the road off as well. And we go after the horse when they come up, and you don't like you. Now, what benefits you, that's how well.
Normally they're all pretty good, but just today this group, they're all in the middle of the road.
Oh, no, look,
And then there's
they're not experienced.
off the shoulder of the road, straight across in front of us there at the end, and the old mate in the shirts there having a go at us as if we're the cause of it.
Sudden braking or making sudden maneuvers in traffic can cause very bad accidents. When this biker is on a quiet night out, everything is completely destroyed. The problem is big because the biker seems pretty angry.
Fatality.
¿Por qué te mandás hacia la avenida? Al medio te mandaste. ¿Querés entrar a la avenida? Quedate a la derecha. Yo vengo por el medio. Te mandaste adelante mío. ¿Querés verlo en la filmación? ¿Querés que te lo vea? ¿Querés que te lo muestre? Bueno, mirá. Frena a cero, mirá y después te mandá. Sí.
Older drivers in traffic are always dangerous. Other drivers know this and maneuver accordingly, but in some cases it may be forgotten and it may be too late for everything.
¿Qué? Mirá el espejo, mirá el espejo.
Perdóname.
Listo. ¿Por qué me tocamos ir entonces?
Really?
Tocame el culo.
Driver had a green arrow at the traffic lights, but instead of moving on he was blocking the rain because he was on his phone.
Yeah, he's got a green arrow. Hey, check us out on his phone. Put your phone down, buddy. Put your phone down. Put your phone down. No, come on, put your phone down.
Be calming, but everything will not be so calm soon. This can be very frustrating, but there is an officer behind and it seems to bother the biker.
What's going on?
How you doing, sir?
Why are we hauling butt?
Sorry, home's right here. I was just scooted a little too fast. I'm sorry.
1026. Looks like you already wiped the bike out once.
Yes, sir. It was a couple months ago. I just haven't gotten fixed.
Seems like a smart thing to be doing on a 25-mile-an-hour road.
No, sir. No, sir.
Where's your driver's license?
It's in my bag.
How's your driving record?
It's fairly good. I did just get pulled over for recently, probably about a week ago, for crossing lanes in the middle of an intersection.
You get a ticket?
I did. I got a ticket for not having insurance. I just got enrolled in insurance so that way I can bring that to the DMV here. I just did all that recently, like yesterday.
Well, do you have health insurance?
Yeah, I have health insurance, just I'm not insured for the bike like Progressive wise. So I signed up for Progressive yesterday.
The biker is very lucky to come across a very understanding and polite policeman. Some cops are just made to write fines and can cause big problems for bikers.
Got caught. Yes, sir.
Okay. Can you put the kickstand down? Talk to me for a second.
Yeah.
The other day when you got that sight, were you wearing a helmet?
Yes.
Okay, you always wear a helmet?
Yes, sir, always.
Okay, you have health insurance, correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I'm trying to figure something out right now.
Okay.
It has nothing really to do with you. Just kind of came to my attention. So, would you mind just standing by for a few minutes?
Yeah.
I'm not trying to detain you anymore. I'm just going to give you a warning on everything.
Okay.
Just sit tight for a minute, okay?
Yeah.
You just want to chill out here. More than welcome to.
Is there something up?
I have an issue.
Okay.
I'm pretty good with traffic.
Okay.
We are dreaming in the dark. We are nothing more than dust.